Hello everyone, good afternoon. Yeah, I wasn't able to post yesterday. I went out and I was really excited about today, and something terrible happened and it was really unforgettable. I'm sorry guys and ladies, I couldn't share it with you. But yeah, it was really, oh my god. I just couldn't say anything. But anyways, aside from that, I feel good. But there's still my rashes in my face. I still have the it rashes in my scalp. And last night there's been a lot of hair fall, and probably in a short period of time you're gonna see me balding already because of this hair fall. And sometimes when I wipe my nose, there's a bit of uh, uh, blood on it, and I'm not sure what it is, but maybe I'll ask my doctor. And yeah, aside from that, I'm good. I don't feel anything yet. Hopefully, no, I'm staying positive, and I'll keep you posted, ladies. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.